73% of you will not get to 45 seconds of this video. So if you're making it this far, you're already doing better than most people. If you're a business owner, you're probably always trying to focus. There's always temptations, opportunities, and it's hard to actually focus on one thing and do something. I know this myself because I'm trying to build my own personal brand while being a full-time doctor. I've been a doctor for 4 years, so I know a thing or two about productivity and focus. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix one simple thing so you can focus better. And no, I'm not going to tell you another productivity hack that's complicated and makes you feel worse. So first of all, let's actually figure out what focus is. Focus is saying no to everything else and picking one thing. Often when you're trying to focus or you look online, figure out how you can focus better, it's all about managing your time. But what if I told you that it's actually about managing your energy? If you can manage your energy really well, the ability to focus will feel a lot more natural. So I'll give you a personal anecdote. When I'm working as a doctor and I have like a 10-hour shift, I come home from work and I know I've got 3 hours spare where I can be productive, maybe work on my business, work on my online brand. I have 3 hours, I have it free. The time isn't the problem, but often I can't be productive because of my energy levels. I come home from work pretty tired, giving a lot of energy and a lot of focus in the day on my shift. I come home from work and I just don't have the energy. Whereas sometimes if I really focus on my energy levels, go for a run, re-energize myself, rest, and then I only have like half an hour or 1 hour, I can actually be really focused and really productive. And that's because my energy levels are being managed, not necessarily my time. I'm actually restricting my time. You know, I'm maybe prioritizing health, fitness, restoring my energy levels, limiting my time, but getting more done. So when you want to focus, don't think it's a time management problem, but it's actually an energy management problem. And now I'm going to tell you a quick fix that if you don't have time to go for a run or restore your energy in another way, which there's plenty of ways to do, maybe socialize, go to friends, eat some food, go for a run. But what if you just had 5 minutes and you wanted to re-energize yourself? Maybe you just don't have that time. So what if we had 5 minutes? I would tell you to really prioritize having a very restorative break. And you can do this using the box breathing method, which is simply sitting down on your chair, not picking up your phone, not being distracted on social media sites, but actually just being present. Breathing in for 5 seconds and then holding it for another 5 seconds and then breathing out for 5 seconds. And you can do this for 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. But this is just what box breathing is. It's really good at picking up your energy levels by making you more focused, decreasing your stress levels. And then if you do that for 5 minutes, that's more than enough time to actually refocus your mind, decrease your stress level, and you can go back into your work that you're doing with this new increased energy level. And with that, you're naturally going to have more motivation, more focus, and just the ability to concentrate and get that thing done. And it might only take you 25 minutes to do that, and then you might feel you're a bit unfocused again, you need your energy level managed again, and then I would encourage you to then take another productive break, which is, you know, say no to your phone, social media, instead do something like the box method, breathing, chance to be present, a chance to get your energy levels up, and then you can go back on another session. So I hope you can apply something like the box method, breathing, to your next breaks when you feel low in energy, so you can be more productive, so you can grow your business. And yeah, if you want more advice like that, just subscribe to me, and you can join my community as well, which is in the link. See ya.